How to set up free shipping in Shopify. So if you want to set up your free shipping, you can head over right here to your settings. And then onto your settings, you can see in here the shipping and delivery. So make sure to click on that right here. Now we have in here this general shipping rates. So for example, if you want to actually enable free shipping on all over the world or to a certain location, then this shipping right here is for you. So for this one, let's head over and click on this general right here. And then we have in here the products that will be applicable to the shipping that we will put later on. So we have this, and then you can also add some more products if you want to as well. Now from in there, we have in there this. So the domestic as well as international rate. As you can see, this one is free shipping. So if you still want to add free shipping to your international rate, what you can do is you can click on the three dots right here, click on edit rate, and then from in there, you can head over and then just put in here 0. So once you have put in here 0, it will show you this free shipping right here. So click on done. And then as you can see, it has reflected right here. So just head over and save this settings that you have just made. So that's how you set up free shipping in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.